math is my main thing that I came to LaTeX for, given that I am an engineer and my work is in mathematical modeling. So a really common package that you need to do really nice things with mathematics is this package AMS Math. This is the American Mathematical Society. All right, so let's say that we wanted to insert an equation. The great thing about TeXmaker is it makes things sort of easy, so you can scroll through and see these if you need help. There's also these sort of wizards and things up here if you wanted to try to insert certain types of mathematics. But if I start to type this out, I can type in equation, I can see, oh, there it is. I can tab and it will auto-complete the rest of the command for me. And I'm going to do this off the top of my head, but you can, again, use these built-in drop-down menus to search for different ones or find them on the internet. But let's say I want to do just some mathematical function. Let's do the integral. I have to do the slash to get it to know that's a function, right? LaTeX-oriented function. Integral from 0 to infinity. And I'm going to insert a label, a nickname for this file or this equation that I'm going to call equation integral. It will run that. So there's nicely professional quality mathematics with an equation number. But I might want to refer to that equation in the text, so I could say C equation ref, and it tells me which things are referenceable. So I put the EQ and the fig. They're not required, but they help me kind of keep track of what my nicknames were if they were referring to an equation or a figure or something. Now, this is a standard way to do this, but I find it better to do equation ref. And I'll show you the difference of those. I could use the word equation if I wanted to, depending on the standard that I was trying to follow. So if I put EQ ref, it puts the parentheses around it, and often in journals, we just use this notation where the parentheses mean equation. We don't have to put the word around it. So it's more concise, handy way to reference mathematical formulas and cross-reference them. Briefly, I just want to show a couple of examples from my own dissertation, just the power of the professional quality math that you get from LaTeX. And so all kinds of math that you can put in here, things that are bold, different mathematical symbols, more complicated parentheses and partial derivatives, greater than, all of those types of operators, integrals, multiple integrals. You can do all of those things. So anything that could be written in mathematics can be typeset using LaTeX.